Alright, I got cut off on the other one, but I'm going to do C and D. Same thing, we want to make it just x. Solve in terms of x. So here we got to get a common denominator. So we're going to multiply by the LCD, 1 minus y over 1 minus y. And this will be 1 plus y over 1 plus y. Using these two, using the opposites. So when you do this, you'll get 1 plus y over, when you FOIL this whole thing out, 1 plus y, 1 minus y. I'll do it step by step so you can see. 1 minus y, 1 plus y over 1 minus y. If you FOIL this, you get 1 minus y squared. So that's equal to this. So you get 1 plus y over 1 minus y squared plus 1 minus y over 1 minus y squared. You can combine this. These y's will cancel. So you'll be left with 2 on the top over 1 minus y squared, but you need it in terms of x. So if we go back to our identity, x squared plus y squared equals 1. We need to get 1 minus y squared together. So we're subtracting y squared. You get x squared equals 1 minus y squared. This will be 2 over x squared. Since these two are equal, you can see these are equal. We can substitute. There's my answer, 2 over x squared in terms of x. Alright, let's do the last one. Oh, this one looks lovely. The 1 over x minus y over x plus 1 over x plus y over x. Well, good news, since these are the same, we can combine. So we get 1 over 1 minus y over x plus 1 over 1 plus y over x. We're going to want to get rid of the complex fraction, so multiply by x over x, multiply by x over x. So these will cancel, and then you multiply this through. We get x over 1 minus y plus x over 1 plus y. Woof! Now we're back to the last problem. 1 plus y over 1 plus y, 1 minus y over 1 minus y. There's a lot of algebra here. Ugly. It's going to get ugly. So we have x plus yx over 1 minus y squared. We did that last problem. Plus 1 minus yx over 1 minus y squared. Common denominators. The yx's cancel, so we're left with 2 over 1 minus y squared. And this is the same thing we did in the last problem. You take that Pythagorean identity, subtract y squared from each side, and we get x squared equals 1 minus y squared. So it's equal to 2 over x squared. Same answer as our last problem. That's wild. I should, if you can do this algebraically, this is algebra on steroids for sure. Same answer as our last one. It's some similar processes, especially in the bottom right here with the 1 minus y squareds. Alright, I hope that helps. Thanks for voting for it. That was a tough one.